having it night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah, I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? I'm in a race that everybody's chasing fast. They wanna be that someone on the screen at last. They ain't looking inside for their needs in life. They wanna be liked by everybody in sight. But trust me, being free ain't spotlights. No, it's long nights and it's long fights with yourself all the time to get your mind right. But if you put in the work, you can find the light, alright. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing?
Then I will know you have done what I said. Okay, so this is the end screens. Here are many end screens, and you can make one of your end screens. You can plus here, add, and this playlist, and come here and here subscribe to BD Dracoon, well known as Dracoon, and the video which you wanted. Wait, this is playlists. So okay, I don't wanna get playlists. Better go get another one. Video. Okay, wait. Let's shorten it. It's too long. Don't put too long one. And okay, and you can choose any video that you want to put in the end screen. Like I want to put my most popular video, like this one, and the most popular video, and one another you can also put. Like you can put another channel too. this is my favorite channel. You can put this too. And this channel should be here, and custom message okay, so I did this popular. Okay, and you can do anything like I did. Okay, and one more, you can add one. Okay, only 4 are allowed, so it's done. Okay, it's done. It's kind of done, and like it will play, and in the end screen it will show what I had put it. Okay, I have put the end screen, and you can put info cards too, but I will put it. Okay, I will put this. It's my intro video, and oh sorry, oops. And if you want one more card, you can put it here and add which channel you want, that you want. I will put this and this. Okay, I put this, and then okay, so it's this. Okay, let's save it. It's quite a done. Wait, you have to put the minutes, second. Okay. And here I will put this till here. Okay, so I will save it, and then okay, why I screamed, I don't know. Let's leave that. Okay, and then you can put restrictions if you want. Okay, this is all what you have to do, and playlist, and was done. Which playlist you want to add? If you want, do, don't want. This step is not necessary. And then you have to save this, and YouTube will immediately do their work. If it has not been now, it will be in the next 24 hours. If you are lucky enough, then your chapters can be saved in the video now. But if it is not saved or shown in the video, means you have to re-follow my instructions. So bye. Have a